Hello friends, now we'll discuss about a problem based on Hess's law. First of all, we write the problem. Heat of formation. Heat of formation of methane is equal to minus 200 kJ mole inverse. Mind it, these data are completely hypothetical. Actually, we try to clear the concept of Hess's law. Heat of formation of water is minus 50 kilojoule mole inverse, and heat of formation of carbon dioxide is minus 100 kilojoule mole inverse. Now find heat of combustion of methane. This is the question. We have to solve it. Now to solve it, first of all, we write the equation of formation of methane. C plus 2H2 arrow CH4. Mind it, we must form 1 mole methane, and delta H is equal to minus 200. For simplicity, we omit the unit because in all the cases the units are same. It is equation 1. Heat of formation of water, that means H2 plus half O2 H2O. Delta H is minus 50. This is equation 2. Actually, 1 mole water must be formed. So we use 1 mole hydrogen and half mole of oxygen. And heat of formation of carbon dioxide means C plus O2 CO2. Delta H is minus 100 kilojoule mole inverse. It is equation 3. And the target equation is heat of combustion of methane, that is CH4 plus O2 give CO2 plus H2O. To balance the equation, H2O is 2 moles and O2 required is 2. This is our target equation, and we have to find this delta H value. Now if we reverse the equation 1, we get CH4 arrow C plus 2H2. It is the opposite reaction of heat of formation of methane. That is equation 1. And the actual value is minus 200. So I reverse it. So the value is 200. And 200 kilojoule per mole. And it is written as equation 4. Now in target equation, in left hand side CH4 is present, so we reverse equation 1. In equation 1 CH4 is on right hand side, so the equation is reversed so that it's placed in left hand side. Now achieve target equation, we do the following things. We add 4 plus 3 plus 2 into 2. Please carefully observe the equations. 4 because 1 mole of CH4 is there. Equation 3 is added because in right hand side 1 mole of CO2 is there, and in equation 3 1 mole of CO2 is present, and in equation 2 1 mole of H2 is there, but in our target equation 2 moles of H2O is present, so we add not equation 2 but equation 2 multiplied by 2, and the equation becomes CH4 plus C plus O2 plus H2 plus actually 2H2 plus O2, because we multiplied equation 2 by 2, so H2 is 2H2 and half O2 into 2 means 1 O2. In right hand side it is C plus 2H2 plus equation 3, that is plus CO2 plus CO2 plus 2 of H2O. So this 2H2 is cancelled, C is cancelled, and the equation becomes CH4 plus 2O2 arrow CO2 plus 2H2O. Actually we get our target equation, that is CH4 plus 2O2 arrow CO2 plus 2H2O. And what is the value of delta H? Delta H is 200 minus 100, that is 100 minus 50 into 2, that is minus 100. So we get 200 minus 100 minus 100 minus 50 into 2, that is 200, and delta H value becomes 0. Actually we get the hypothetical values, so the value is 0. Actually it never be 0 because the actual values are different. We actually discuss about the equation and the formation of the target equation. Let us recapitulate this. Equation 4 plus equation 3 plus 2 into equation 2, and we get CH4 in left hand side plus 2 moles of oxygen arrow CO2 plus 2H2O, and the value is delta H is 0 because in equation 4 delta is 200, in equation 3 it is minus 100, and in equation 2 it is minus 50. Minus 50 multiplied by 2 is minus 100, so the value becomes 0. That's all about a problem based on Hess's law. Thank you. For testing your understanding of this lesson and more videos, log on to www.tubelessons.net.